Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Canon 7-in-1 lens cleaning kit. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the parcel. So I bought it from the ras.pk. So this is a lens cleaning kit and not a sensor cleaning kit, meaning that you can only clean the lenses of your Canon camera, even Nikon and Sony. But if you have a smudge or anything like on the inside of your sensor, then this kit won't be useful very much for that scenario, because the liquid, if any comes with this, won't be applicable or you cannot paste it on your sensor. If you want to do sensor cleaning, then a specific kit comes for that as well. So putting these extra packets aside, and here we should have the actual Canon 7-in-1 lens cleaning kit. So putting that aside and that as well. So here you can see the box. Here we got Canon optical cleaning kit. So here it says what we are going to have: air blower, sensor, CCD, CMOS, swaps, wand, brush, microcloth, and we have this wind pump as well. And we got a little figure as well. Here on the bag we got our air blower, or I would say the steps that it's telling how you can clean your lens. So step 1 is use air blower, step 2 to brush, step 3 to use micro fiber cloth, step 4 and step 5 and so on. So we're not going to go into steps. If you're interested, you can just pause the video and read it from here. So I need to cut this because there's no way that I can open it directly, so let me just cut it in some way. So inside the box here we got our small wind blower to remove any dust from the lens, and you can use this blower to remove dust from your camera's sensor as well, because it's just simply going to push air. And here are some other things as well that comes with the camera kit, and you can see other than that the box or the parcel is empty, but very bad packaging to open. Like they should have some kind of better way to get this thing opened. Anyways, let's see. First of all, we got our optical cleaning tissues for ultra soft cleaning. So here you're going to have some tissues for cleaning your lens. That's the first. Second thing, the first thing was our blower. Here we have our microfiber cloth by Canon. That's the third thing. Here we got some I would say cotton buds as well. So we got 5 of them. The fourth thing, here is our cleaning brush. Fifth thing, here we have our Canon EF lenses. I really don't know what this. Okay, so it's a thing. Yep, it's a small cleaning brush which is really cool, like this. So you can clean your lens from using this as well. Here is the sixth thing, and last but not least, you are going to have Canon lens cleaning fluid. So again guys, I am telling you that this fluid is only to clean the outside of your lens and the inside, but you cannot use this fluid to clean the sensor of your camera, because this is made for the lens mirror and not for the sensor. If you're going to use this on your camera sensor, which is in the inside, when you remove your lens, then most chances are that it's going to ruin it, because it is made for cleaning your lens and not your camera sensor. So be sure that you never use this or anything except the air blower to clean the sensor. For sensor cleaning, you have a specific kit which you need to buy separately. This is just a 7-in-1 kit from Canon to clean your camera lens. So I'm using a Sony camera. I can use this kit to clean my Sony camera as well. The reason why I bought this kit was simple. It was really cheap. It was like around $4, and it had all the essential things needed to clean my lens. But if I want to clean my sensor, then I need to buy another kit which is specifically for cleaning Sony sensors, or Canon or Nikon, whichever you are using. So anyways guys, this was the quick unboxing video of the 7-in-1 Canon camera lens cleaning kit. If you like this unboxing video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.